Welcome back to Chasing 299.
I'm Nev, this is my son Storm.
If you want to stand a chance to win this bike for only $1, go check out our links in the description below. It'll be the best investment.
Subscribe.
See you soon.
As we roam the beautiful urban landscape, we enter into a cave called a garage. Inside the garage we find a beautiful creature called a MT09. This creature is a very rare find and are extremely beautiful but dangerous. This one has been fitted with a beautiful radiator guard and other bits. These motorcycles evolve over time and become extremely rare. This motorcycle has the radiator guard for protection purposes from other insects or animals. This beautiful creature also has crash protection. This is an armor made for when it is dropped or falls. It helps to protect the motorcycle from injury. This motorcycle or creature is also fitted with eliminator plates. This means the motorcycle has lost some limbs, creating a smoother and sleeker body for traveling faster. Also, it has a tail tidy. A tail tidy serves the same purpose as the eliminators, making it smooth and easy to glide through the air as it flies. This creature is absolutely beautiful. It has evolved from a silver and black palette to this beautiful colors you see here, silver and blue. It also has 2 new types of appendages. These appendages are the most exciting out of the bunch. It is mirrors. Mirrors allow the creature to see behind itself at all times. It is also fit with another pair of appendages. These are brakes and clutch. These brakes and clutch levers allow the creature to slow down to a stop within seconds to gain advantage on its prey. This motorcycle has evolved extremely. It is a rare find.
Welcome back to Chasing 299.
The video you're already watching.
If you like this, please hit the like button.
If you loved it, hit the subscribe button.
If you didn't, don't say nothing and delete it. Write a comment. Tell us what you didn't like so we can modify it.
Alter even our technique.
Or where we're gonna film.
Invite us to events if that's kind of your thing. We'd like to be able to go to events, film them, and post them up as not a Chasing 299 event, but an event for you. Let's say Moby Mashup. Luke and Mick, they set that up. We've been invited to film that next time. So we will film it and we'll give you credit because it's not about us, it's about you, the community.
Keep chasing.
299.